Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Learn with Krishna Sandeep. In today's video, we are going to learn how to calculate the median of an array using Java. So let's dive right in. So, so first what we will do is we'll know or we'll talk about what a median is. So the median is nothing but it's a middle value in the list of numbers. For example, if you are taking a list of numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you take this list, so the middle number is what? 30. So 30 is the median for this array. And similarly, for example, if the list is odd, we can directly take the middle number. But if the list is even, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, it has six numbers in this array. So median for this array is average of 30 and 40. Okay, it comes to 35 like that. So the list has an even number of elements. Median is average of two middle numbers. So now let's run the program. Let's create the program. First, we have created a class, public class median array. Let's write a main method inside it. And then what we need to do, we need to create one more method. So the method name we'll call it as find median. So public static double find median int array. Okay, return null. So for the time being, just I'm updating it to 0.0, but we will write the business logic and we'll return that value. So what we are doing, we are writing a method public static double find median int array. So it accepts integer array, and here what we are going to do, arrays dot sort. First what we need to do is we need to sort the array input that we have taken, and then let's find out int n equal to array dot length. So what is the purpose of this array dot length? We will check, okay, if it has even number of elements or odd number of elements. Okay, if n percentile 2 equal to 1, then we call it as an, okay, directly what we can do, we can return array of n by 2. Okay, the list contains odd number of elements. If the list contains odd number of elements, what we are doing, we are returning the middle element. Else, if it contains even number of elements, what it will do, return array of n minus 1 array of n minus 1 by 2 plus array of n by 2. Then finally say by 2.0. I'll explain you the logic what we are doing here. So here what we are doing is return. First, let me fix this error. Return array of n minus 1 by 2 plus array of n by 2. Okay, by 2.0. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are finding the middle element. So in case of even number of elements, we need to find out what are the two middle elements. Okay, 30 and 40. Here if you see 30 and 40 are the middle elements. You see here array of n minus 1 by 2 plus array of n by 2. These, I mean, it will give you the middle element. Got it? Middle two elements in case of even numbers. So we don't need this. Okay. Now we have written the method. First, what we have done, we have sorted the array and then we are checking the length of the array. If it's odd, okay, we are returning the middle element. If it is odd, what we are doing, we are returning the middle element. If it is even, what we are returning, we are returning the sum of two elements in an array. Okay. Now let's go to the main method. So in the main method, okay, we create an array and then we call the find median method. So let's see how to create an array. Int array 12 comma 4 comma 5 comma 9 comma 8 comma 6, and then finally called what, double median equal to find median of array. Finally system.out.println median equal to plus median. Let's run the program and see the output. Then we will debug and see the logic one more time. So here the median is, the output should come to 6, 30 plus 7, 1 second. Okay, first what we need to do, we need to sort this element. Okay, and then it will find the sum of the middle two elements. So that should be the output, which is median 7.0. So here what happens is, okay, when the program is sorting these elements, it becomes 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma 12. So 4 plus 5. Okay, so middle elements are like 8 and 6, and if we sum these two elements, 6 plus 8, which is equal to 14. 14 by 2 is what, 7. Hope you got the required output. Okay, so the logic is straightforward and it's pretty simple. So what is the logic? First we need to sort the array, and then what we need to do, we need to find the length of an array. If the length of the array is equal to 1, what we need to do, that means, if the length of the array is odd, then what we need to do, we need to return the middle element. Otherwise what we have to do is we need to return the sum of middle two elements, which is equal to median. So here, since it is even, the array size is even or array length is even, we are returning the sum of elements of middle two elements, which is 6 plus 8 by 2, which is 14 by 2, is equal to 7. thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.